again here at this house in Pooler, Georgia, one of the best places to live in town. Pooler is a great place to live. There are so many different industries like Gulfstream and Port of Savannah. We have a lot of executives that live here. This is a double fenced neighborhood. There's a main fence and then there's a second fence. And this listing is by my friend Kathy Grimes. She is in my brokerage, Remax Accent. We are at the same brokerage, and I do have her permission to film it. I'm going to film this property with my meta glasses, and I'm kind of excited about it. They have some tint to them, and when I get in, the tint is supposed to go away, but I don't know what's going to happen. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this property tour of this home in Pooler, Georgia. All right, I'm going in. Look at this beautiful porch. This is so pretty. Really, really pretty. Now, those don't appear to be electric. I don't know how you turn them on. So I will show you inside. We do have some personal belongings here. Looks like they're moving out. So this is the entryway. And then if I bear left here, we have the dining room. This is the kitchen. I don't know if you call this a galley kitchen. I kind of want to call this a galley kitchen. I really like the wood. It's beautiful and unique. And then this is the pantry. This is great. The open concept is wonderful. This is the garage. And there is space for 3 cars. And then they even kind of have a wood shop area over there, a tool area. So very, 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 very nice. The backyard is stunning. You could easily put a hot tub out here or a pool, depending if they're septic, but there's probably not. But this is great, and this is just really, really beautiful. I love the pergola. The wood floors are gorgeous as well. So we've got a fireplace that looks like it's gas burning. Gotta be, because yeah, there's some fake wood there. It looks good. I don't see any major issues. This is kind of odd, this cork thing here, but anyway, I will head upstairs. All the bedrooms are upstairs. There were no bedrooms. So this is bedroom 1. Really nice size. Lots of storage. This is bedroom 2. Looks like these two have something there. That's probably gonna mess up the paint when that comes off, but hopefully not. This is a smaller bedroom. Kind of has a smaller closet, probably more like a guest room. And then keep going left here. There's some storage. Nice nest system. And then this is the laundry room. And then in here, we have another bedroom. This is bedroom 3. This is really cute. And then on either side, they have some walk-in storage. Oh, you just can't have enough storage. Oh, this is really good. It's perfect for a child. I love that. Okay. Hang some tools in there. Very nice. Very, very nice. This would be bedroom 4. This is the master. This is huge. I like the vaulted ceilings. This is huge. That's a king bed, and you could have a whole couch in here. I mean, this is pretty big. And this is the master bathroom. I love the double sinks. I love the countertops. Wonderful. Got a great bathroom. Nice big shower. This is the toilet area. And some storage. Uh-oh. Keep getting the fan there. And that is all the bedrooms. Let me see if I can get this light off. Ooh la la. Master closet.
Oh, this is wonderful. I love the wallpaper. Double vanity, always a good idea, always. You have some issues with the wallpaper? I mean, is anyone gonna die? No. This is very nice. Okay, so the tub has a repair. So first off, this is super low. But that's weird that a house that's not even that old has a repair, but you know, it's a solid tub. That's too bad, but that is, I have to say, a little bit of a negative, but this is a beautiful home. Yeah. The wallpaper is kind of chipped up, so just it needs a little bit of TLC. Not that my house is perfect, so I'm not here to judge, but when I do these showings, I really try to show everything that I see. Okay, and I'm going to keep going left. Oh, and we have an office. This could probably be another bedroom, but this is a fabulous office. Love the ceiling. Looks like they replaced the fan and it just needs a little bit of touch up. Okay, yeah, it has a closet, so this will work as a 5th bedroom. Looks like some storage here. So that's cool. And then here we have a full bathroom. I'm sorry, I'm always checking the ceilings. The bathtub looks great. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the showing, and I will see you next time.